If you want to change icon theme on the OnePlus 15R, we can go to settings, then in here choose the home screen, lock screen and style. Then we're gonna swipe up from the bottom over here to open this section where we should be able to find icons. And if you go over here, we have a bunch of different themes that we can choose from. So we have Classic, Flux, Radiance, Shadow, Material and Pebble. So you can choose the one that you like the most. In some cases, we also have the Art Plus icons, so you can slightly alter the style for these icons. And in some other cases, you can, for example, choose a color. If you choose the Flux, then you can actually change the color of all apps, and you can choose the color that you wish to use. And in the case of Classic, we also have automatic dark icons, so I assume that it synchronizes with the dark mode in case it is enabled on your phone. Now, here we can also change the size of icons. We can make icons less rounded, so you can, for example, make it look more squarish, or you can just set it to be square with just rounded edges. And we can adjust the size of the app names as well. And once you are done with all your changes, you can just simply use the apply button at the bottom of the screen. So let's set it up like this, for example. Let's tap on apply, and that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.